this flying style video, we'll be looking at a revision technique called transformation. A transformation is when you take information and you adapt it into a new format. It's a great technique as you're engaging with the information to represent it in a different way, and this will help you to retain and recall that information. It's also a really good higher order thinking skill to be able to adapt information successfully into a new format, and it demonstrates a really good understanding. For example, if you need to remember the following information on space, how could you go about making it more memorable? Let's take just the first two key definitions. We're going to transform these into a diagram where we use as few words as possible. So firstly, we have a star, which is a body that gives out light. So I'd represent it like this. Now I need a planet, which is a large body. So here's my planet that orbits a star. So I'm going to add an arrow to represent my orbit. To make it a solar system, I'm going to add a few more planets. And to remind ourselves that our solar system orbits our star, the sun, I'm going to name it. Suddenly I've transformed that information into an easy to remember diagram while showing that I also understand the term orbit. Why don't you have a go and see if you can transform the rest of these key definitions? Head over to revisingscience.com/revision, the link is in the description below, where you can find information on other revision techniques and you can download the key terms for you to learn yourselves.